fucked up. Bro. There's no way. There's no fucking way.
I just need someone to push the back in and I'll pull the front tire.
That's totally with me too.
What?
Yeah, Justin, push the back in. I'll pull the front tire. No, come down here and push the back in. I'll pull the front tire.
Yeah, I need my fucking front tire pulled over too.
So it's in first right now. And I'm pushing it up. Grab it like this. And hold. When you're ready to push, squeeze your left hand on the clutch, alright? Okay. So hold on. Let me get up here.
Bro, let's just strap your shit on the quad. Fucking pull it up first gear.
Alright, start pushing. Oh, fuck.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Hey, if we pull up with the quad, bro, I'll bring my dirt bike that way too. That looks difficult. Yo, that looks difficult, bro.
Yo, Mike, you want to push up the back side?
Yo, I mean,
Slippery as fuck down here.
I would if I could, my guy.
Okay, watch out, we're gonna need to look it to the left.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can you pull the ass in a little bit to the left?
It's stuck.
Just push.
Yo, you're fucking left. You're pushing up against the wall.
It's just not gonna fit.
Yeah, well.
Unless we lift it all the way up.
Hey, man. I say we do it nice and easy with the quad.
Push. Oh, wait. Oh, god damn it. I'm still in first. That's what the problem is. Okay, hold on to it.
Honestly, though, that's like the best way, though. No, bro, you gotta hold on.
Yep.
Because I mean, I would honestly leave it in first, maybe. That was a good plan. Because then you can slowly crawl it up.
We can't do it right here though, because it's hitting that and that at the same time.
Big facts, dude. Big facts. Thought this was gonna be easier.
Here. I can pick it up and move it out of the way. I just need you to get ready to push, okay?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Alright, I'm keep going. Okay. I see you, my guy.
Let's do it. It's in first. So let's then you lean a little bit to the right when you push it this time, alright? Ready? Go, go, go. It's the back end. You gotta pull it up from the wall. Mike, this would be easier with 3 people, guys.
I know, bro. If you come help me real quick,
I'll
bro.
help you after we get this.
Alright, I'm down, bro. But where do I put my bike?
No, when I lift it, it's fine.
I'm down though, bro.
Oh, I've got 4 tires dripping.
Huh?
Grab.
Fucking.
I don't really talk about this a lot because I don't really do bikes. I do like 2-wheel drive. 4 wheels.
I like one like this. I do? Not very good, though.
No.
Mike?
Here, let me try that there.
Think so?
There, we got it. Which way you going? That way or this way?
No, I'm just trying to get it fucking down so I can push.